What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the Gourmet Ace. And if you've also seen at the title, I'm going to be also giving a pair away, a regular turning pill and then a regular perforated pill as well that I'm going to be giving away. So look down below in the description area to see how you can win your very own set. So like I said, the company did send me a pair, and let's go ahead and take a look. Again, this is the regular pizza pill. It's high quality aluminum oil, lightweight, durable, strong, corrosion resistant, no fading or rust. Again, it's a 12-inch by 14 perforated pill. Has a detachable handle as well as a screwdriver included. Again, it says make pizza your way, no more burnt crust, peel like a pro. And in the back it does have the assembly instructions, which looks pretty simple. Basically only 3 steps. The 4 steps is just, enjoy, eat your pizza. Again, it does have some care instructions, so you don't want to put these in the dishwasher. Wash with hands, warm water, light soap, dry easily. It does have all the information here, what comes with it, as well as the website, email, and the company that's made. So let's go ahead and take a look at this pill first. Again, this is just the regular perforated pill. So I did open it already, but again, it comes with the handle here, so we could take that out. And the handle, seems, pretty light. It does have like this nice grip on there. So that feels pretty nice. It has a area where, again, if you wanted to hang it, you could. You have the pill, that. So let's take off this part here, which that just comes off easily. All right, so it does come with an Allen screw, like it states. Again, you could use an Allen screw, or if you have a regular screwdriver, you could usually use that. But again, here's that, and here is the pill. Here it comes wrapped like this. And there we go. So again, it is aluminum, feels really good quality. Again, the best part about these with the perforated pills is when you scoop underneath the pizza, any excess semolina flour is going to come off, so you're not burning that in the oven. Here's the logo here. Looks like it's etched in, again, Gourmet Ace. And again, I'll put the links down below to the website. Again, this is going to be a giveaway, so find out and see how you could win one of these, pair. Here is just basically, thank you for your purchase. And again, get a free server or cutting set. Scan the code again with your camera, so you could do that there. And again, this is also a paid video as well. So again, company has sent me these products out to review as well as give one away. So let's go ahead and take off the first screw here. And again, it's an easy setup. Like I said, everything comes in, in the box, so that you're able to set it up yourself. And I'm just going to go ahead and get these screws off first. All right. And like I said, it's an easy setup, so you basically just want to go ahead, take that off. All right, and again, once you have the screws off, then again, you want to go ahead, again, there's nothing here, so again, you have to have the holes pointing up, and your pill on that's there. Make sure the holes line up, but again, it's easy. You just basically putting on these screws again. All right, once you have it screwed on nice and tight, then again, here is the pill. It does feel lightweight. It does feel like really good quality. Like I said, it is aluminum, so it feels really nice, good quality. Again, you have this handle, so again, helps with the gripping it. It is a small handle, so again, this will work perfect. Guys in the oven, the rock box, any Ooni oven, this will be perfect for it. Again, it's a 12-inch pizza pill. So let's go ahead and let's put this one aside, and we'll keep this out. And again, this is the pizza turning pill. Again, same quality of the material, high quality aluminum oil, lightweight, durable, and strong. Again, corrosion resistant, no fading or rust. This is a 9-inch turning pill. detachable 2-mode length handle and screwdriver. So again, with this, we're going to open it up, and again, it has the instructions here. You could do a short handle or you could do a long handle. Being that I do have the dome that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be showing you with the long handle. If you do a short handle, again, that would be perfect for your Ooni rock box or any Ooni oven. So let's go ahead and take that out here. And again, if you wanted to watch a demonstration video, again, you could scan the code there, and that will show you that. So let's go ahead. We'll take these, and again, it's long handle, so there's double. And then here is the actual turning peel. Again, it is the Gourmet Ace. It's a nice silver color. Again, feels really good quality and light. And again, it also has a L-shaped screwdriver, which again, I have the other one that I'll be using. So again, there's a little instruction there. So let's put that to the side. And again, the first step, it says that we do need to unscrew these first 2 screws just a little bit, kind of just loosen it up. All right. And again, if you wanted to do, a short handle, then you could do a short handle this way. But again, like I said, we're doing a big handle. So again, we have the 3 screws there. So we're just going to go ahead and take this off here as the next step, because again, we have to attach this handle to this other handle. So I'm just going to take that one off here. Right. And again, this handle is attaching to this handle. So again, if I turn it over, it does have the 2 holes there that will basically just line up nicely. And I just screwed there. All right, once you have that all screwed there, then we'll go ahead and turn it over. And again, it's just basically lining up the holes and taking off these screws next. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, once you have the 3 screws out, again, the holes go this way and you line it up. And again, with your 3 screws, you're just going to go ahead and let's put the middle one in here first. Get that nice and tight. And then I'm just going to go with our next screws here. And we will be making a pizza, and I will be showing you guys, again, these pills in action and the turning pill. So make sure that you do stick around for that. All right, now once you have it screwed on, again, this is going to be the turning pill again. The head here is a 9-inch head. Again, you have your long handle. So again, this is good for reaching in the oven. And then again, you have your pizza pill, which again is good for launching your pizzas. Also, going to take your pizza out as well. So let's go and make a pizza. All right, so let's take a look at the oven. Again, I'm using the Ooni dome. We're looking about 840 in the middle. So we're ready to make a pizza. Again, today's pizza is basically just going to be pepperoni pizza. I do have some mild banana pepper rings. I'm going to put it on there on a red sauce. Mozzarella. So let's go ahead. I got my dough here. Again, this is my 50%. Today I did a 66% hydration dough, just a little different from what I normally do. If you want to see a recipe on that, comment down below. But let's go ahead. I'm just gonna go get this. I'll put some semolina down here. Alright. Get our dough. Again, I'm just gonna go ahead. Dough is feeling really, really nice. Flip that over. Get a little bit more semolina there. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead now and stretch this out. Alright. Dough's feeling good. Alright, and again, the best thing about this peel, again, being a perforated peel, is again, you could basically put down your, your dough, build your pizza, and then with the holes again, when you scrape up the pizza, any remaining semolina will come off. So that's again, if you're looking for a pizza peel, and again, any peel with the perforated holes again is what you want for that. All right, so again, we just have some San Marzano tomatoes. We're gonna go ahead now and get our mozzarella down. And this is just some low moisture mozzarella. Just putting that all over. We'll go down with our pepperonis. And again, take a look down below at the description area to see again how you could win yourself a peel and a turning peel. So I will be picking a winner and sending that out. And get one more there. And again, we're just doing some peppers here. So I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle that on there. All right, so now again, because the peel does have the perforated holes, again, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna basically just sprinkle just a little slight semolina. And again, what we're doing is we're grabbing the pizza from down below, and with just one swift, you're just kind of scooping it up. And then at this point, what you can do is you just want to stretch out your pizza against the 12-inch peel. So you could get that to the size of your peel here, just like that. And from there, we'll go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and put this in the oven now. We'll get our oven turned down to low, and we're just going to go ahead and let that cook. And again, this turning peel is perfect because it is long and you'll be able to reach in, fairly easy. It does have the grip here that you put one hand and this other hand here, so it does feel nice. It's not super grippy, but again, it does feel good for what it is. And we're gonna go ahead and get the first spin. And one complete spin. Again, I do like it. The quality does feel good. It feels durable, like I said. It is good quality material that they have here, so it does feel good. And I'm just gonna go with another spin here. And again, this is nice because again, it is a 9-inch turning peel, so the head is 9 inches. Pizza's roughly probably around 11, probably close to 12, so it does allow you to reach in there pretty nicely and spin that pizza. And so we're just getting that. And again, if you had any of the smaller ovens, the Ooni Koda 12, the 16 and the Karoo 16, again, this will be perfect. Again, if you don't want to use the long handle, then there is a way to, again, just make it smaller, without having to, make it big. So that is nice. Gonna get that there. All right, so we got our pizza cooked. Let's go ahead and we'll get this back over here. So here's our pizza. I'm not really gonna take a bite of the pizza, but again, as you can see, you know, the peel is basically the main review here. This is a pepperoni with mild pepper rings. So again, that does smell really, really nice. Overall, you know, I think I really like these peels for the price and the quality. I think you know you definitely get a bang for your buck. You know, easy to put together. But the only issue that I would say again with this peel is possibly if there was like a longer handle. I think a longer handle would be nice. But again, if you're using the Ooni ovens, the Gauzy, you know, rock box, this is perfect, you know, for going in and out. Again, you do have the turning peel, which again is a pretty good size. The head of the peel is nice. Again, it's a 9-inch head, so it's not big, but I think perfect for, you know, small personalized pizzas. You can easily get into the oven and turn your pizzas really nice. So again, if you like this video, like and subscribe, turn that bell notification to be notified when I do make new videos. Again, check out the description down below on how you could win your own set of the peel and your own turning peel. So follow me on Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.